Good morning. Thanks so much for joining us on this Thursday morning. We're normally talking to you on Wednesday, but we had a surprise visit from our new grandbaby, so that trumps all. So yesterday we weren't on, but today I wanted to go on and talk. I've been gone. You guys have been here.
We have been.
And the store just looks great. Even my husband noticed how good it looked. And so kudos to you, all the girls here, to just getting it all done. I was on the McPherson radio this morning and I just said, you know, it's so nice to walk back in and I don't have to worry that there's piles of boxes at the back. I mean, everything just keeps going, and I'm so thankful for a great team. So thank you. thank you behind the camera as well. So last night on after baby left, I got our email out last night and did something a little different. We have a flyer coming out. It's our first flyer of the year. It's coming out next week. Yeah. But I featured 2 of our pages already. And these items are available in store or online. Almost all of them. We have a couple of exceptions.
But you must have done this late because
I did this late. You probably
I did not look at my email yet.
Probably went out about 10:30 or 11.
Okay,
so
yeah.
I got my hours in yesterday,
Okay.
just not here at the store. So first, behind you, just so we don't forget, I think this is such a cute little kimono.
We've had several go. We got it back in, and it's so nice for spring and Easter coming, and
it is
it's just beautiful. Different colors you can put under it. I know we've done some greens, some different colors of pinks, and
and I know it's hard to see here, but actually this is a light pink background. This is a ivory background. They look almost the same here, and then we have the same one with a black background. Again, we've layered this here in our catalog with the crisscross tanks, or camis. Those come in both regular and plus sizes. It's just really a cute accent piece for it. The camis, I believe, are $19.99. I did not grab one. Yeah. But these are $24.99, and they are on special for $19.99. So it's a great buy. Come in before these are gone.
And we have some beautiful beads and jewelry that you can pair, with these and the camis that you put on them. We also have a tank if you don't want the cami, the smaller strap. It's a little bit wider, and we have some good colors in that too.
We do. And this you can order online at shopadrians.com. If you got your email last night, just click on floral kimono and it'll take you right to that page. Some other items, and we're just going to go down the list, are our personalized necklaces. These come in names. I know you can't see this, but we don't talk about this often. Names, like symbols or initials, and symbols. So we have lots of options for you. Those are $12.99.
These are great gifts for weddings, for your attendants.
Yes.
Your bridesmaids and anybody like that. Makes a great gift.
And they're only $12.99, and the bracelets are just $9.99, and so that's another great buy. Something else that we've talked about this before, because we were girls once. And I always say this immediately brought back memories of preparing for your first kiss, which I prepared for about 4 years. Made sure I always had the lip gloss, the scented lip gloss. And so these just take you right back. We have the kissable, the liquid, the roll-on, and they smell so good. So good.
I in here the other day and thought they were so fun. I said, yeah, we had these when I was growing up. What?
I know. They think we're ancient.
Back in the 70s.
Yeah, absolutely. These are just $5.50. Again, we featured them in this flyer because they're just so fun. Great thing to put in an Easter basket.
Yeah, fun.
But we love that too. Then another item you wanted to, I'm going to let you talk about Love My Dog.
The dog. So a lot of fun hats just came in. I'm working on hopefully get them out today where you can actually see them.
Yeah, well, you can buy them online right now.
Okay. I put them on, but I don't do ball caps that well. My sisters do so.
We need Patty.
Sister, I know she.
Patty's
does, yeah.
the one. She looks great in any hat. So maybe we'll get her. I don't know if she's here Saturday, but we'll put a hat on her Saturday. So, but those are $24.99. Another great item. Then we have. I put in a page of our garden items, and
these are so cool.
They're so sweet.
They're a little bouncy.
Yeah, these are little plant stakes. These are on sale for just $6.99, and they come in both the butterfly and dragonfly style. And then these are a little harder
really
to display.
Cool. I don't want to pull them out of there, but
you know what? We have the magic of television.
Okay, way to go. Yikes.
These are a wire and glass and metal stake with solar. So these go in your garden, and I think the description is that you can have flowers blooming in your garden all the time. These are pretty much the only kind of flowers that stay alive at our house. But
they're really cool at night when they light up. I have several things out in the yard. The hanging lanterns and these are just they're fun. You see them out in the fields. They are fun.
And I can't remember how much these are. They're on sale for $19.99. They were $24.99.
And then the other couple things that you brought up were the lanterns. They're solar as well.
They're also solar ceramic lanterns, and these are $15.99. So just another fun item. And then lastly, from that garden group, this is an item that we have sold on and off for probably 20 years. This is the bird clock that chirps sings. It sings on the hour, but it also has a light sensor, so it won't go off in the middle of the night. So we've got that in two sizes.
Have a bigger one as well.
Yeah, an 8-inch and a 13-inch, I think.
And we hear them as we walk by.
Oh yeah,
go by at the right time.
Love that. So today we're giving away your Saturday giveaway. Was a large Tyler candle, and you want to announce the winner?
I don't know. Oh,
it's right there.
Thank you. I didn't know that.
My glasses.
Okay, Tina Wiesner of Hutch.
So congratulations go out to Tina. And I know she watches all the time. I don't think she's ever won anything, but I think she does watch.
Have one this time. Congratulations.
So today's giveaway, I heard this on the radio, so it's not original, but the question of the day today is, if you could give up one chore for the rest of your life, what would that be? And I don't have to think very long.
Me either.
Yeah. You want to go first?
I'm dusting.
Oh, okay. See, I don't mind that. I hate laundry. That's why I love all of our cool laundry things, because like our Tyler laundry wash, it motivates me to do the laundry because it smells so good when it comes out. But for this week's giveaway, which we'll announce on Saturday, the winner, I picked some of my favorite things that I use all the time. One is Fresh Wave, and
nice.
We have actually sold this for years, but you might not recognize it on the shelf. It has changed packaging. And so, yes, we still have Fresh Wave. You can walk through your house, spray it, and it smells like clean without having
no fragrance to it.
No fragrance to it. It's just it cleans the air. I did that yesterday when surprised grandbaby. So I went through and sprayed everything. Next is our Euro Scrubbies.
Love those.
Oh, love these. I have several in my house. I have ones designated for bathroom, one for kitchen dishes, and then I keep one in a drawer that's just for potatoes and carrots. I used it last night on our sweet potatoes. It is a non-scratch scrubby. They're only $3.99. I know it kind of sounds like we're cheaping out on our giveaway today, but people love these.
You'll love this one.
Love that.
We sell tons of those.
So if you don't win one, at least come and pick one up on your next trip. Again, another item that I love, use it. We have it at every show. I use it to keep my computer screen clean. It is great for the inside of car windows, mirrors,
I just use
glass doors. You just dampen it, and it's streak free. It's called nice. Streak Genie. They're only $6.99. Another great item. Lastly is our e-cloth. Again, we have sold this for years and years and years. It's to the back of the store. I brought the kitchen pack because that's my favorite one. And so if I'm choosing the giveaway, I'm going to pick my favorite things. This is a 2-part. One has more texture, and you use that to wipe all your surfaces down. Then you come back with another dry cloth, and it just shines everything.
Great for windows. I know I gave it to all my sisters too. Every one of these, I think they've all gotten it for a birthday or something at some point in time.
It works. So
what a great gift.
Again, in order to win this week, just like this post, leave a comment of just saying what chore would you give up if you could. Again, mine would be laundry, Sandy would be dusting, and we would all have our favorite picks. Next week, we've got Spring Open House coming, and we're going to be open late next Thursday night till 7 o'clock. Other things going on, but we'll be back to talk to you on Saturday about that. And again, thanks for joining us on an off day. But as I said, grandbabies trump everything. So thanks so much. See you next time.